Hey, what's happening, everybody? Let's talk about crypto.com, the rebrand, and also what they're doing in terms of the total value locked, which is a big indicator that this project is here to stay and that many people are bullish on this project for the long term. So, we're going to jump into that. If it's your first time dropping in, my name's Zach, and here on the channel, we add value each and every day talking about cryptocurrency, whether it's about crypto regulation, crypto news today, various assets, the do's and don'ts. We try to add value each and every day here on the channel. So go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe. We also add value with our Patreon page. This link is down below in the description. $20 per month. All of these perks are included. And I'll tell you what, we have a great, great community where you don't just learn from me, but you learn from these other people too, who have great depths of knowledge in the crypto space. Our moderators are absolutely great in the Discord. And I'd be happy to answer any questions you have too. You can direct message me either on Discord or Patreon. So with all that being said, let's jump in. The overall crypto market is down about 4% right now. Bitcoin is dialing back to 38K, Ethereum down below 2,600. We've just been in this wonky phase in the crypto market where it feels like the same money is just bouncing up and bouncing down, bouncing around, and there's just not a lot of new money coming into cryptocurrency right now. Crypto.com, the actual Crow coin or Cronos, is down to 40 cents right now. It's down about 7%. Big dip here. Good opportunity here for crypto.com users maybe to add to their positions here and maybe just dollar cost average here as they buy the dip. We did see this thing get down to 33 cents back in about a month ago. So just know that that's kind of our threshold where we could still dip maybe 7 cents lower, but you could start buying the dip now, right? I'm just throwing out an idea, not saying to do this, but this is what I do. I do start, buying the dip and just, slowly dollar cost averaging as that dip continues. But we've got something to talk about here with the Cronos chain and the total value locked here on crypto.com. So Cronos chain has grown by about 2.5x over the last 3 months, despite uncertain market conditions. That is pretty impressive. Okay. Crypto.com, Crow, the native token of crypto.com chain, and Cronos EVM chain has rebranded to Cronos. That is their own blockchain. Now, the name change aims to highlight the explosive growth of the Cronos ecosystem while also reflecting the decentralized nature of Crow. TVL, which is total value locked on Cronos, grows despite uncertain market conditions. We're going to get into that here. In a recent Medium post, the Cronos team unveiled that Crypto.com's Crow coin changed its name to Cronos, which still is Crow, in a bid to recognize the explosive growth of the ecosystem. And this is coming from the team. They say the Cronos ecosystem represents the next major phase in the adoption and utilization of Web3 by hundreds of millions of users. And I agree that Crypto.com is going to be at the forefront in terms of bringing new people into the space. According to data by DeFi Llama, total value locked on Cronos currently stands at around 2.4 billion. In comparison, the total value locked on Cronos was 1 billion just 2 months ago, which means that the network has grown by 2.5x in less than 3 months. Think about that. That is super, super impressive. As of now, the top 5 DeFi protocols over on the Cronos chain in terms of TVL, VVS Finance, which we've heard of, Finance, Tectonic, Optimizer, and Beefy Finance. So VVS is by far the largest protocol right now on Cronos, garnering a total value locked of around, get this, 1.4 billion. Furthermore, Finance and Optimizer have gained the most over the past week, increasing their TVL by 46 and 56% respectively. Now, Cronos' remarkable growth is very interesting given the uncertain market conditions and really the pullback in the overall market. This implies that more new entrants have their first DeFi experience on the Cronos chain, which I think we're going to see a lot more of this in the future. Now, those interested in moving the capital to Cronos, transferring of capital from layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum to Cronos, they need to use either the Crypto.com app or the Crypto.com exchange as a bridge. Therefore, it is fair to expect that another wave of capital would flow into Cronos as soon as an official bridge linking Ethereum to Cronos opens up. We don't really have that yet, but we will. And when we do, I think a lot of people will utilize that. So that is what I've got for you. Basically, this Cronos rebrand and the Cronos blockchain is blowing up. There's no question. DeFi on this chain has really, really taken off over the past 3 months. And again, the total value locked over there right now on Cronos stands at 2.4 billion. And again, VVS, a huge part of that, makes up 1.4 billion. Then another billion comes in with some of the other DeFi protocols over on Cronos. So the rebrand, the total value locked, everything is looking very, very bullish for crypto.com. And I love where they're heading. And again, we're dipping right now in the overall market. We're down 6.5%. Always what we say here on the channel is, when there's blood in the streets, we go shopping. And these are great opportunities to buy the dip. We want to buy low, sell high. Hear it all the time. And that's the name of the game. So thank you so much for stopping in. Appreciate it. As always, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts down below about the DeFi protocols over on the Cronos chain and the Crocoin itself and the future you think it has. Always love hearing from you. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you soon.